Alright, we're at the Graduate. Back at the service car, and it's still original. Passengers as it is, but I have not yet filmed this one. What the fuck? The numbers are gone. Okay. Don't know how this is gonna work. None of them are lighting up. Oh! There we go, one lit up. Damn. Why is this one like 4 times faster than the Passenger? Oh. Whack. Doesn't 3-door anymore. Let's go up to 8. They switched up the cab a little bit since the mod. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. I think he just farted. But it's a 3-door. That's a shame. All right. That's it.